And then like halfway through the second song, she like big loogie.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dave's Truck. Today we are celebrating the rock and roll sample pack with
Carpool Karaoke
with Callie,
Lacey,
and Dave. So, what flavors are in the rock and roll sample pack?
Juice Springsteen,
Okay.
Rock and Rollgurt, and
Kickstart My Tart.
Kickstart My Tart.
Yes.
Kickstart My Tart. All right. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah!
Kickstart My Tart, open never stops.
Whoa! Yeah!
Did we get it?
You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. May, yeah, May.
Next we're moving on.
May, yeah, May. Singing I love rock and roll. So come on, I'm in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come on, take the time and dance with me. Ow! I can do that. You want me to tell you my Joan Jett story?
Yeah.
I went and saw Joan Jett, and I was super crushed. This is
Circa
long.
1988.
Yeah, somewhere in there.
Okay.
I went to see Joan Jett at Liberty Lunch. It was a really tiny venue. And I was like right in the front, dead center. I was probably from here to the very front of my truck away from her. And she came out and they were playing, and they played Crimson and Clover, and they played this, and they played all this stuff, and it was so awesome. And then like halfway through the second song, she like big loogie, and she spit it straight up in the air, and I watched it go.
No.
On you? She spit a loogie
What
on
kind
you?
of disrespectful?
No, it was cool.
That's not cool.
No,
not cool at
thus
all.
ended my crush on Joan Jett.
Yeah.
Blech.
Hey guys, it's Dale. Can you please just subscribe to our channel or watch this video? I can't hold these forever. Come on, subscribe. Watch the video, please.